Hello. Right, this is to show you how busy it's got in the burn chamber area. You can see I've got an extra glow plug at the bottom, and I've got a big long Mercedes one sticking out the top. It is very tight in there, but I have managed to put an exhaust gas temperature probe. So that goes up to, I think it's 1250, 1300. But when I've put the chamber in, I've also included one of these little things. Yeah, you can see through. I hope you can see through. Let me see. There we go. Yeah. So that's very similar to the mesh, but a lot finer, with a lot more holes. And just with a little bit of blenishing on the outside, that drops straight into the chamber. Now, I've done a quick drawing here. Can I get it all in? Let's go back a bit. There we go. Okay. I know it's a child's drawing, but stay with me for a minute. Right. The heat doesn't actually come out of... Yes, we know it comes out of here. But the heat is actually generated along the sides. So, with this design chamber in there, what you end up with is two hot spots, which will give the chamber back pressure. Yep, so giving it back pressure will cause it to get even hotter, and these parts of the burn chamber, the tube part, is what emanates the heat to the sides. What comes out the top, I mean, if you put probes all over the top, you'll notice the actual top is not that hot. It's on the corners here, right here, where the fan is blowing it around, grabbing the heat. So these areas are hot right along here. So the idea of only pushing that halfway down is to give it some back pressure to increase the heat and hopefully burn very clean. If you've watched a few of my other videos, you know I've solid about with my temperature sensor. So, let me show you. There's my temperature sensor there with a 1K diode into the return line. So, this is, imagine I'm plugging it onto the motherboard, yeah? So it's that one there. So as it's facing you, the live terminal is on the left and the return terminal is on the right. So you need to put your resistor in the return signal. If you put it in the other one, it'll show up as busted or not working. But what I'm trying to do is have some more heat range before it goes into overheat shutdown. Okay, you can actually see what I'm doing. I have a glow plug here. Yeah, so I'm just testing this Mercedes. I know it works, but I'm working on a process of being able to reuse that glow plug and the bottom glow plug at the same time, even when it's running. Yeah. Say for instance I've just overdone it with the oil, or put too much air in, or blown the bloody thing out. I don't want to have to keep shutting it all the way down to do a restart. I can actually do a restart in flight. Yeah, where I haven't got to do that. I can just flip a switch. It's a bit tricky because you can't run your voltage back through your motherboard. Yeah, but there is a workaround. Okay, keep you updated. Hopefully, not hopefully, this is going to happen. There's no doubts about it. It's going to work. Okay, bye for now.